Hello, this is Dr. David Winarski with Family First Wellness Center in Columbia, Missouri. And I'm here to talk with you about peripheral neuropathy and how it is we treat peripheral neuropathy completely differently than what you've probably heard in the past. One of the very important aspects to treating your peripheral neuropathy is what we call our in-office procedures or in-office therapies. Now, initially, we will start with a 16-step evaluation process to find out, one, do you have peripheral neuropathy? And two, are you a candidate for this program or not? So the 16 steps involve a consultation with me, many questions involved with your history, with potential known causes, as well as a 9-step exam process itself. Now, we're going to do things like evaluating your blood flow in your skin. We're going to evaluate 7 different nerve types in your hands and feet and compare them to a baseline normal for you. And we're also going to go over the specifics of your nutrition, as well as the interventions and various machinery and things that are needed in order to treat your peripheral neuropathy with a better than 90% success rate. For more information on how it is we do that and to sit down and talk with me, please give our office a call or click the link below. I look forward to talking with you.